Hello, today I will tell you how to upload video on YouTube, how to make your channel. It's very easy. First go to YouTube and there is option login, and if you have your Gmail account, you can just put your Gmail account and password and you will be member of YouTube. So anytime you will enter to YouTube, you just log in and your photo will be appear here that you are logged in. So when you go to main page of YouTube, there is a one button, upload. You can click this, and you can do this with your mobile Android phone. If you have, you can short any video clip from your where you are visiting some good place, or you watching cricket match, or yourself you want to give some comment by yourself. So just shoot it with your mobile, 4 5 6 minute clip. No need to get a professional video camera. So very easy. So you can do it as a sample for enjoy to learn it, as I am doing to loading videos just for fun. So there is an option when you click upload. This will be showing select files to upload. So you will click it, and you will give it option where you have videos. For example, I have many videos in my mobile is showing. If you are in computer, it will ask you your folder where you have your videos. So select simply any videos which you want to upload. For example, I am loading this one, and choose this one, and this is compressing. It will take just a few seconds, 30 seconds or 1 minute, and it will be uploaded, and it will ask you write its heading and make some more settings. So this is the video. Here is automatically they given its name, and you just delete it, and you can write test. For example, I'm giving test video. So there is a description. You can this title always give regarding to the video. If you have a sports video, you can give sports heading. If you some historical place, you can give a heading, I am visiting this historical place. Or if you are making any lesson, you can write heading about tutorial. And description, you can give 2 line description. This video is testing video. You can write 2 lines, and there is a tag is very important, and you give a word which is related to this video, and people will search on YouTube and Google, it will appear. For example, I write it one word, test, and I can write video. I can write any kind of word. If it's sports video, you can write all sports name. If it's a tutorial, write tutorial name. Similar words. It's tagline is, and you can do it's okay. And there is a one above button, advanced setting. If you go there, advanced setting, click it, and there is category. So it's very important to choose your category. If you are posting one video about games, you can select games. If it is about general knowledge, you can write blog. If it is about comedy, entertainment, politics, education, science, so will the Google and YouTube search engine will specifically find your video if it's related to these category. So always select also is the language. If you are posting some other language than English, and you want that in those country and those people who is searching this language, this video appear, you can select this one. And there are some other buttons, but in first hand you don't need to touch these buttons. You can keep them as they are, and this is just simple way, and there is up on the button. This showing is processing, so you can write button, publish button. There's up above. When you click it, it will show that it started processing. It will take a few minutes. If you have good connection, it will take 1-2 minutes. If you have a slow connection, it will, might take 5-6 minutes or 10 minutes. Don't close this window until its processing will finish. It will show you a message here that your video is uploaded, and once this is loaded, you can close it and open another window. So it's just that's a very easy way to upload your video, and you can make further changing in this video. And there is the option video manager, and you can go in video manager, and then you can make it changing on your video. For example, this is just uploaded, showing that my video is uploaded. Now I can share from there buttons to my any social media, and this is the return to editing. You can edit more information later on this video, and this is just I click my video manager. It's mean my video is listed on my videos. I have more videos. It will show all your videos which you uploaded. This is a very easy way. I hope this lesson will help you to upload your first video, and in my next series of videos I will teach you how to use good title, good keywords, and how to monetize, and you can make money, and how to make a famous and how to make a channel and become a famous on YouTube. Thank you very much.